everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's video is a special video because it is based on viewers' choice. One of our viewers, Miss Vishali, asked for a video about email. So this video is differences between CC and BCC. Before knowing the differences, we must know what are these terms. CC and BCC are the abbreviations used in email. While composing a new mail, we could see all the sections like from, to, CC, BCC, subject and compose mail. CC refers to carbon copy and BCC refers to blind carbon copy. Normally, we send the original mails using from and to sections to one or more recipients. BCC and CC are useful when you wish to send a copy of mail to one or more recipients. Assume that you and your friend are the team leaders of a project. You should send an official email about the project, that is the original document, to your friend and a copy of it to other 3 team members and 2 juniors. You typed the sender's ID, that is your ID, in the from section, your friend's ID in the to section, and other 3 team members' mail IDs in CC section, and 2 juniors' mail IDs in BCC section. Then the subject of the mail in subject section, the body of the mail in compose mail section, and click the send button. Let us see how 2 CC and BCC differ. The result will be you will have all the details about the mail in your send tab. Your friend and the team members will receive only the information about from, to and CC along with the body of the email. BCC will not be visible. Though both your friend and the team members seem to receive the same information, they are not similar because your friend has received the original copy and your team members have received just the carbon copy. The 2 juniors will receive the information about from, to, CC and BCC, but each person can see only their own IDs in BCC and can see the other people who are under BCC category, as it is blind carbon copy. It is the common practice to use CC when we want all the recipients to be visible to others, and to use BCC when addressing a very long list of recipients who should not know each other. Hope this video is a very useful one for you. Viewers, keep suggesting the topics that you want. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.